Good morning, everyone. Hope you all doing well. Let's start today's analysis. So, if you remember, this was our shift in HPO. We are moving on the bullish side, and we got this breakout as well. These were our highs and lows. Let me mark these: the high and the low. We got the another high. Confirmation has been done, so we got this retest as well, and now we have this lower zone. If the retest is good enough, then we will have another breakout towards upward above this level, and if that is not good enough, then we will have a test towards the zone. And the last one, if that fails as well, we will have a bearish shift. Moving on to H1. The yesterday's analysis, the zone we had in the H1 played really well. We got good entry yesterday. So let me remove these. This was our yesterday's zone. As you remember, we got the shift, and I mentioned that if it breaks upside the range M30, then we will have the H1 test. And now we are still on the bearish side in H1, but if that's good enough, we will have a bullish breakout from here. Also, we have this level in H1, so if we got any rejection from here, we may get to see the bullish shift, sorry. But if that fails, then we are on the bearish side. Moving on to M30. M30 was pretty good yesterday, and we had a few good directions. First, we had the rejection from here, from this zone, and as we had breakout towards downward here, you got the shift here, and then we had the this H1 zone, which played really well up there. Yeah, so this was our H1 zone, and then we got the M30 retest. This is M30 level. Now we are moving upward. If it less towards upward, then we will have H1 and M30 breakout and H1 shape towards upward. If it breaks downward, then we will have the H1 test, and we may get to see another breakout towards upward after we get the H1 test. So keep in mind, the H1 is the real direction, and we will look at that very closely for M15 and M30 directions. Moving on to F15. Ozone played really well yesterday. And let me remove these. So if you remember, this was our low, high, new low. We got this shift here, then we got the retest and a bullish breakout again, and now we have the high confirmed, the low tested, but we got the liquidity as well, and now we are on the upside. So as we always do, we will mark our liquidity zone, a test towards it, and then we may get to see upward direction. So as M15 is on the M30 side, and we have a pending H1 test pending, so I guess we won't see the H1 test yet if our M15 M30 plays towards upward. And if H1 plays, then we will get to see a bearish shift in M30 and M15, and after that we will have another shift towards upward in M15 and M30 towards the H1 direction. But we have CPI today, so we will try to go with the trend.